Good afternoon, children. Just one child. Good afternoon, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, which class is this?
Beta, this is again your SST class. Let's wait for others to join and then we'll continue the same work we were doing in the previous period.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, we will read the chapter.
No, beta. First, we will finish off with the key points.
Ma'am, I will finish key points.
No, they are not all. We have much more after that.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Okay, now previously I was sharing a screen with you, right? All of you have done the first screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
I also done second screen.
There are many students who have not done the second screen, right?
Ma'am, I have done full work.
Full work. So now I'm going to share it with you. Just wait.
Ma'am, I also have done full work.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done all the key points.
All the key points, but beta, we have much more after that. So just wait for a little while. Let me share the screen with you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I go washroom?
Yes, beta, go. Okay, start writing after that.
Ma'am, I also have done full work. I have written all.
Now see, I have added much more after that. Can you see? Start writing, and now this time I have tried to write very neatly so that you people can understand.
Yes, ma'am, this is
more
Ma'am, now we can understand.
Yes,
Excuse
now
me, ma'am.
there'll be. Yes, beta.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please send the pic of Saka calendars in WhatsApp group?
No, beta, now see from here only. See from this screen.
Okay, ma'am.
And please scroll up.
Up like this, down, this one or up? What do you want to see?
Ma'am, up. Ma'am, up.
Up?
Ma'am,
Okay.
up.
It's fine. Beta,
Ma'am.
see, earlier you had written till 28 days. Now you have to start after every 4 years. Don't start from Saka calendar. Start from after every 4 years. February has one additional day. This is what you have to write. Got it? Don't miss those last 2 points.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is written after 1?
My God, still my handwriting is bad.
No, ma'am.
One
the one.
additional, beta, additional.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is double D, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after 4 years?
After every 4 years. Now, what is it written, children? Tell. I will ask
Ma'am,
other children now.
February.
Ma'am, after every 4 years, February has one
February.
additional day, and that year is called a leap year.
Very nice. Thank you so much for the help.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down?
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Fine? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am, fine.
Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, I was doing after 4 years.
So, beta, you can see after 4 years. It is visible.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
My God. Okay. Now, is it fine, Aksha?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am on Saka calendar.
Wait, beta, wait. Yes?
Ma'am, you send one pic on WhatsApp. Ma'am, can you send one pic on WhatsApp?
Yes, beta, I will have to send. I have no other choice. Just wait.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Good afternoon.
28 days मेरे को भी यहाँ से स्टार बनाना है.
Okay, now you want the work on class group. Okay, check it there, children. You have it there.
After every we are like every 4 days. My work is done.
Yes.
Ma'am, the Saka calendar also writes.
Now see, I'm bringing it down. Have you written these 3 points from Saka calendar? We have 2 more points.
Ma'am, I have come on Saka calendar.
Ma'am, I am covered Saka calendar. Second point.
Yes,
Ma'am, I am in the last point.
Okay, do it. Then I'll this thing. Add one more thing. Share one more.
I'm done, Ashra
Page.
Agarwal.
Done.
Ma'am, can we write all these points like a paragraph?
No, beta, no. You will
In
not
the
be
Saka-
able to. You will
I'm
not
in
be.
the- I'm
Beta,
in
you
the
write
Saka
it point
calendar.
wise. It is always suggested, advised to write it point wise so that it becomes easy to learn.
Ma'am, what is written after third point? February has one.
Children, please read out and tell.
Ma'am, which one?
Ask
Third
beta.
one. Third one. Okay, ma'am. This calendar also has 12 months, 365 days, and 366 days in a leap year.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all the points. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Beta, there is no point after this. 366 days in a leap year.
Okay, ma'am.
Now just wait. I have 3 more points to share that I'll do it in a minute. Can I remove the screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Not done?
Ma'am, please give the 2 minutes.
Ma'am, we have to also write the Saka calendar.
Yes, of course, beta. We are writing the key points, no, all the important points of this chapter. So we have
Ma'am,
written about calendars, we have written about timeline, we have written about chronological order. Then we came to 2 calendars, Gregorian calendar and Saka calendar. After that also we will come on to something.
Ma'am, done.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I am on third point.
Very good. Write the 3rd point and then again I will share a screen. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
मैं खोलता मतलब जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ जा रही है.
Ma'am, done. Kanak Mittal.
Very nice. Can I share the next screen? All of you?
Ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, it is about to done. No, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
still
Yes,
I can hear a no.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
where is
no,
the ma'am, where is the Gregorian calendar?
Beta, in the previous period, what did you do? You did Gregorian calendar, no? It is known as the Christian or the Western calendar. It is a solar calendar. You did all this, no?
Yes, ma'am, we have done. Yes, ma'am, we have done.
Turn the page,
Ma'am,
turn it back and just check have you done it or not.
Ma'am, I have already checked it, ma'am. It is not done. It is, ma'am, half is left. Half work is left.
Who is the student speaking? Whose half work is left? Jaskaran.
Ma'am, Jaskaran.
Okay, Jaskaran, just tell me what points have you written in Gregorian calendar? Read them out, beta.
Ma'am.
Jaskaran, you are muted.
It is also known as the Western or Christian calendar. It is a solar calendar divided into 12 months. Only these I have done.
Then it is based on the time taken by the earth. See, this beta, have you joined the class late? It is based on the time taken by the earth. This is in continuation, no? Have you not written this?
I am taking screenshot.
Yes, take a screenshot. This is in continuation to that work only.
Ma'am, taking. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please share the next screen.
Ready for the next screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please share the next screen.
Just wait, beta. Just wait. I'm thinking that I should take a clear picture, not just an ordinary one. So I'm just clicking the picture again, so that you people don't have any problem.
Ma'am, what you have written in the third point, after every 4 years, February has ANE. You have written ANE.
Ma'am, please share the next screen.
Beta, 8 minutes sharing. Please have a little patience.
Ma'am, what is the what, ma'am?
Yes.
In the
Children, please help him out. What Bhavya is asking. Please just help him out.
Ma'am, what is written in downwards? What is written downwards? ANE. In third point.
Bhavya, you want the sentence?
In the third point of the screen, there is written after every 4 years, February has ANE. It is written. What is ANE? Written.
February.
Additional day. It is one.
After every 4 years, February has one additional day.
Bhavya, it's one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in this page, O looks like A.
Now, children, till where had you written? What was the last point you wrote from that screen? You wrote about Saka calendar, right?
Ma'am, this. Yes, ma'am.
This calendar also has 12 months, 365 days, and 366
Yes, ma'am.
days in a leap year.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next point is this only. This year starts from the month of Chaitra.
Ma'am, this is the last point.
This is?
This is the last one.
No, this is not the last point.
Ma'am, this is the second page.
Yes, second page of this period.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Children, now my handwriting is fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear. Yes, ma'am. Your
Daksh Pratap, beta, you want to go back in class 2?
ma'am, please.
You
Ma'am, what is
behave
the
like
fourth word written in timeline?
you behave like
Ma'am,
a class
please
2
scroll
student, you will
down.
be given admission in class 2.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, what is the fourth word written in timeline?
Fourth word timelines. They give us exact.
Ma'am, that pencil, big, this Ma'am, scratch.
Yes.
Then what you write after the?
After the, where is the? There are so many the.
Ma'am, in fourth point, Saka calendar.
The Saka calendar starts 78 years after
No,
the
ma'am.
Gregorian calendar.
After recording.
Oh God, where is according? According to the Gregorian calendar.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done Ashray Agarwal.
Very nice. Now, Ashray, whosoever will ask any question, you will answer.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, have you sent it on WhatsApp group?
Yes.
Ma'am, please send this on WhatsApp group.
Beta, I will send everything on WhatsApp group. Once it will be over, only then I will send.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done Shaurya.
Very nice.
Ma'am, please scroll up.
Fine. Tired, children?
Ma'am, please scroll up. Yes, ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I am tired. Please do something funny.
Yes. Let's not do something funny, but let's do some fun activity. Finish this much and then we'll not do more. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please send it on WhatsApp so ma'am I can do it later also.
No. But you have to do this work in this class only. In the leftover time, we will do some fun activity.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of exact?
EXACT. Exact.
सारे बच्चे थक गए यार बस मैम कह रही है इसके बाद नहीं लिखवाएंगे इसके बाद जितना भी पीरियड रह गया उसका हम फन पीरियड करेंगे
Manrina, mute yourself.
Ma'am, what is written after events, timelines after dates of events?
Events occurred in the past.
Ma'am, what is written after latest in timeline?
Latest date. That's all. Latest date.
Ma'am, please send this work on WhatsApp.
Okay, beta, I will send it after the class. I'm going to send it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Now give a little massage to your fingers. All of you must be tired today. Is it? How many of you are tired?
Yes, ma'am.
I made you write a lot.
Scroll up.
Okay, children, just tell me, did I make you write a lot today?
No. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, please follow up.
Okay, after this,
Yes,
we will play a very interesting game. Don't worry.
If ma'am we were in the school, we have to write more than it.
Okay. In other classes also, are you writing too much?
Yes, ma'am. In the
Okay.
math class, I was not present in the first period due to I was sleeping.
Due to
Yes,
I was sleeping. Okay. Very nice.
And my mother was waking me, but I didn't wake. So I the first period.
So, okay, what happens when you don't wake up? Your mother or your father scolds you then?
My father was not there, so if my father
wake up early.
first,
Better let one child finish, no? Then start speaking.
only this is the first time when I leave first period.
Oh. When my son does not get up in the morning for his classes, he really is scolded badly by his father because I am busy taking classes. I don't even get the chance to scold him. So he is scolded by his father.
Ma'am, your son.
Yes, my son.
Ma'am, what is the name of your son?
I've got two sons. One is Jay and the other one is Veer.
Ma'am, Veer is really cute. Don't scold her.
Veer is really sweet. Jasrina, Veer is sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
Is he not
Yes,
too naughty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in which class is he?
Yes,
In which class he is?
he is in class 2. And my elder son is in class 9.
My work is done.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Very good. Very nice.
And I also done my work.
You have also done your work. Very good. Very nice. Can I stop the screen share? Yes, beta.
No, ma'am.
Where do you live?
I am only on timelines. Please wait for some minutes. I am only on timelines.
What do I do? I
Where do you live?
Ma'am, what you have written in first point in timeline?
In timeline, the
What
first
you have
point.
written after
Exact dates
Yes, ma'am.
of events occurred in the past. Timeline.
Please send the screen work.
Okay, beta, I'm sending. Just wait.
Well, where do you live?
Beta, I live in Model Town. You know where Model Town is?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also live in Ma'am, live near my house. No, ma'am.
I live very close to
Ma'am, I also
Jasrina's
live-
house.
Ma'am, I also live in Model Town.
You also live in Model Town. Who?
Ma'am, Parmeet.
Children, now can I stop this screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
I am free.
Okay, I have shared the whole work done today in the class group. Okay, we started from the key points. Then we wrote 5 key points. We wrote about Gregorian calendar and then the Saka calendar and till timelines. 2 points about timelines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have
Yes,
shared
ma'am.
all the work.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, all of you can stop doing. I'm stopping the screen share. Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is
Ma'am,
this
can we
class 2
close the
child?
notebook?
Who is this class 2 child sitting in class 4? The one who is scribbling on the screen? Little baby, huh? Unable to understand. Okay. All of you got your SST books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's play a game. See, my little son. Okay. Now let's play a game. What that game is, I will tell you a word from these 2 chapters that we have done. Okay? Chapter number 1 and chapter 2 timeline. I'm going to just say a word and all of you will find out where that word is. You will tell me the page number, paragraph, and in which line.
Okay,
Is that
ma'am.
fine? Will you be able to
There is
find
a
it?
game. Yes, ma'am. There is a game in the last page of the SST book. And the game is
Okay,
is
now
the
we have
capital
just
of
4 minutes. We've just 4 minutes left with us to play. Okay.
And what is the game?
The game is word hunt. The name of the game is word hunt. I'm going to tell a word and you have to find out where that word is. So
Can we do a first chapter because we have not read a second chapter?
we have not read the second. No problem, but you can find out. Now you are very well aware with the words of the second chapter. We have done the difficult words. We have done key points. Okay. So the first word that you have to find is Babarnama. Babarnama. You have to tell the page.
Ma'am, I don't follow.
Very nice.
In the side box.
Very good. Very good.
Page number 11, first word.
Okay, very nice. Now the second word, it is going to be a tough one. Now you see, this was easy, very easy. Okay, the word is engrave. Engrave.
Ma'am, I don't sorry.
Tell, don't say ma'am, I know. Just say page number this.
11.
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10 page number. Ma'am, I find yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, inscriptions. In inscription, first 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice. Very good.
What inscription? 10 page. 10 page paragraph inscription, quote word.
Okay, very good. All right. Now who will find and tell me the word Jesus Christ? Where is the word Jesus Christ?
Ma'am, I don't have in the second chapter.
It is second chapter. You have to tell the page number.
Page number 16. At page number 17. Page number 17. Then page number 17. Then page number 17. Title Anno Domini AD and before Christ.
Very good. Very nice.
Page 17.
Okay. Now let me see. Let me look for a very difficult word.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
The word is,
1 minute.
yes, the word is Christian. Christian. The word is Christian.
Page number 15. Page number 15. It is on the page 15. 15. 15. 15.